Hello friends, my name is Jaya and this is a small miniature temple that I have made from paper using paper quilling technique. Today in this video, I am going to show you how I made this project. Let's list down all the materials that we require for this project. So let's start with the 5 mm quilling paper. Taking this tool, we roll this into a coil. Secure the ends by applying glue like this. We require at least 7 such coils to make a rope. Seven coils to make a rope, and we require 8 such rows. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 such rows will be required. Then we take the 3 mm quilling paper. That too we roll it into a coil. Like this. These we require at least 48 pieces to make this rows like this. Each row will have 12 numbers of coils each. Align all the coils along the scale so that you get a straight line. For making the pillar, we require 2 shapes. One is this and one is this. For this, we require 2-inch quilling strip. Take the toothpick and roll it on the toothpick to make this type of shape. We require 2 strips to make this broad. Then we take for this shape here, we take the 3 centimeters by 12 inch strip. Apply glue and then attach the 2 centimeter strip on that and roll it again. You can remove the toothpick at this point and secure it very tightly over this. Here we require only this 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter strip. This will become like this shape. So we require 2 of these shape for one pillar and one of these. To assemble the pillar, We require one metal wire which is 4 inches long. Cover the wire using glue. Apply glue on the metal wire and pass it through the first piece. Then goes the pearl, golden pearl. This metal wire will make the pillar very steady. Then goes the 3 centimeter piece. Then again the gold pearl. Every piece has to be attached with glue. Here and then here. Then the last piece goes through the wire. Measure the piece where it ends and cut the metal wire. This way and glue it above and below too to secure it. This will make the pillar. Now for decorating the middle, we are only decorating the middle portion of the pillar, where you have to take the glitter pen and color the edges here and here, and attach the red stones in the lower part like this. Also white stone in between here. So this is the decoration. We are going to highlight only this portion of the pillar. Now we'll assemble the base with 4 pillars and the 8 rows. I have already made the 4 pillars with these 4 rows. Like this, you have to attach by applying glue on each side. Then you turn it upside down like this to attach the other 4 rows like this. Glue the rows onto the pillar. In this way. Now for the roof, we have to take 3 mm quilling strip. 3 mm quilling strip. Roll it into a coil like this. Glue it and secure the ends. For the roof, we require such coils to make this shape. Another, we require this for the roof, where 8 such coils are joined in a square. Attach both these together with glue and stick it on this base like this. This makes the roof. We are going to attach another 4 shapes here. Like this. Stick all the 4 shapes like this. Here we require 5 such coils of 3 mm paper. To make the bell shape, we require 2 such quills of strips of quilling paper of 3 mm. Turn it into a coil. Attach the second one over it. Secure the ends. Join 3 such 3 mm paper strips, glue it and secure the ends. And shape it into a dome like this. Apply glue and let it dry. This will make the bell. Color the edges again with a silver glitter pen and stones. Now for the beads, we have to take one bead like this, which is having a loop. Attach it with silver and white coils, and then add more coils here and join it inside from here. We are having seven rolls in this row. This will go on the 4th row in center like this. Then the side will go on the 2nd from the left side of the 7. Now for the dome of the temple, we require 3 mm paper strips. For that, you have to take the tool and roll it on the edge of the tool like this and make a round shape like this. Secure the ends with glue and press the whole round shape like this. When it dries, open the shape into a petal shape like this. Now to assemble all these petals, we require a bowl to make the dome shape. So for that we'll have to have a pattern. According to the pattern, we join 5 leaf shape together at the center of the bowl. Start the design like this. Join these shapes inside the bowl to make the pattern as shown in the paper. First with 5 petals and then joining like this, and continue as shown in the pattern paper. Continuing the whole pattern in this bowl itself, glue it down inside this to make a dome shape like this. Once it is completely dry, you can remove it easily like this to create a dome shape. Take this dome and glue it onto the base, keeping this gap like this. Cover this gap with a 3 mm design roll over here and stick it. For the back of the temple, we require same leaf shaped designs where the back of the temple similarly like the dome of the temple by attaching the leaf shaped quills together in the shape given in the pattern paper, and decorate the design using oval stones, white oval stones in the center like this. And red stones on the sides. Wherever possible. When you attach the back, there will be little space which is unjoined, that you can cover with such quills and cover the space like this. Similarly, make a 3 mm paper strip, make a dome like this to attach it over here. Apply glue and attach it over on the top of the dome, and then to decorate the dome, apply glue on each flower shape and stick a red color stone on each of the flower shape like this. Decorate the dome fully with red stones, one over here, here, and this makes our temple ready. After the temple is ready, you have to attach, take the ice cream stick and cut it in this shape and attach it at the back of the temple like this, as I have shown. Next, stick the two-way tape on the edges. Now you can stick this wherever you want. You can increase the size of the temple by actually increasing the coils at the base of the row, this row, You can add around 2 more to increase the rows, and which will make the temple broader. And to increase the height of the temple, you can add 2 more shapes onto the pillar. This is a 3-shaped pillar, so you can make a 5-shaped pillar. And accordingly, you can take the dome, a bigger sized bowl, and make this shape to make a bigger temple. So friends, our temple is ready. I am going to place this temple in my car for my Ganpati idol. This will be my gift to my God.